Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's UPSC Toppers Answer Copy Analysis, we are going to see All India Rank 1 UPSC 2024 Topper Shakti Dubey's answer rating. So let's go into the question which has been asked here. Alternate dispute resolution in India provides a streamlined and efficient approach to resolve conflicts outside the traditional court system. They are asking us to comment. It's a 10-marker question and will be given maximum of 2 pages to present our answer. Okay students, if you look at the question, this particular question is asked from the GS paper 2 component of polity segment in our syllabus. And let's go into the answer rating of All India Rank 1 Shakti Dubey. There is a clear visible introduction and that it has been written in a 3.5 lines in an effective manner. Not only that, the introduction is followed by body of the answer with proper subheading. If you look at the body of the answer, there is a clear subheadings which are visible. So first component, she is talking about alternate dispute resolution, which is a keyword mentioned in the question. So in that, she is talking about the comment segment. So comment segment, she is taking a stand because if you look at it initially, she is trying to support it. Then if you look at the second component of the subheading, she is trying to address the challenges which are associated with this ADR. And then she is trying to give a conclusion. So conclusion has been given almost in 4.5 lines. Okay students, let's now go into the introduction. Currently in India, there are more than 5.2 crore pending cases with greater than 77% are under trials. This delay is leading to resolution of the right to dignified lives. See students, what is very important is she is trying to include the latest data. First thing in the introduction, that is current affairs segment. Not only that, she is also trying to link with the context of the question with the rights and liabilities. So if we do this many things in our answer in our introduction, easily anyone can get 1 mark, which is maximum awarded for an introduction, which this topper will be easily getting. And let's look at our conclusion also. Thus, ADR, it helps in speedy delivery of justice. There is a need for regulation of ADR mechanism in order to avoid the cost and time overrun. Again, she'll be easily getting 1 mark. The reason being that she is trying to tell the challenges of it, and also she is also trying to tell what needs to be done. So overall, let's go into the body of the answer. Body of the answer in the first component, she is trying to talk about what is the meaning of ADR. Then she is trying to enter the benefits. Overall, if you look at the benefits column, she has almost written 6 points. So she will be getting half a mark for each of the point, that is 3 marks. And let's go into the second component. Again, she has written 5 points. She will be getting 2.5 marks. Reason being that she is always using keywords and she is staying within the context of the question, and she is trying to address the directives such as comment also in an effective manner. So overall in this question, for introduction conclusion, she will be getting 1 each, so 2 marks. Body of the answer 3 plus 2.5, 5.5. So overall for this question, she will be getting for a 10 marker 7.5 marks. I would say this is also one of the maximum mark which we can get. So what are some of the important learnings is, whenever we are writing introduction, we should try to link it maximum with the current affairs. And when we are writing rights and duties and reporting relevant data, then we are going to impress the examiner maximum. Look at her marks also. In UPSC real examination, out of 250 marks, she got 125 marks, which fetch around an average of 6.5 to 7 marks per question. That's what she also got in our evaluation system. So what are some of the important learnings from All India Rank 1 Shakti Dubey's answer rating is, structure of the answer has clearly introduction, body, conclusion. Introduction, conclusion has been written in 3 to 3.5 lines. Body of the answer has been written in subheading proper point-wise format, and she has quoted the relevant data in her answer, and that data is also adding value to her answer. And she has used a lot of keywords, and that also she has highlighted in her answer. So these things we should learn from All India Rank 1 Shakti Dubey to improve our answer writing style, especially GS paper 2 polity segment. For more such videos, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you students.